afternoon, Reverend Sister Principal, Sister Lily, and all my dear teachers. A warm welcome to all the students of Class 5, our esteemed guests for today's occasion, our little graduates. On behalf of all the primary teachers, I am here to express few words for our graduates. Today is a very special day, a day where we are gathered to celebrate the growth of your hard work. Over the past 7 years, we have seen you growing up not only in knowledge, but in confidence and kindness. The skills you have learnt, the importance of reading, the joy of discovering, the moral values, good manners, respect, will continue to shape you as a better person. I hope all our teachers have supported you with our constant encouragement and help you to grow not only academically but as individuals. As you say goodbye to Class 5, I step into the exciting world, the secondary school. I'm sure you must be feeling a mixture of happiness, emotions, excitement, nervousness, and a sense of responsibility. Secondary school will bring you new teachers, new questions, new experiences, and new subjects. I encourage you to continue being curious, to ask questions, and never be afraid the mistakes that you do every day, because it is through our mistakes we learn and grow. Keep pushing yourself to explore new ideas and be kind to others and respect your new teachers and elders. We all teachers will be missing you, even though you will be continuing in the same institution. All the best for your new journey towards the secondary section. Thank you and God bless you all.
पुरानी यादों पर बेहद मुस्कुराते हैं। चलो आज आपको स्कूल का सफर करवाते हैं। वो दिन याद है जब हम पहली बार स्कूल गए थे?
छोटा बच्चा जान के हाथ पे pre-primary section to standard 5. How much you have learned, how much you have gained your knowledge, how much you have been disciplined will help you in your future. So I wish you all the best, and please thank your teachers. The primary teachers are the ones who take lot of trouble, extra trouble to make you what you are today. Yeah, if you get a chance to meet your pre-primary teachers, say a little thank you for them also.
Disha Dipesh Mayavanshi. She is brave and sincere. Mika Alpesh Gamenia. She is quiet and well disciplined. Rui Jignesh Gautam. She is smart, gentle and cooperative. Umesh Valu. She is understanding and helpful. Roshani Jitesh Alpati. She is good listener and follows what is told. Manya Ashish Dori. She is well mannered and good. Sachi Sanjay Dori. She is cheerful and disciplined. Amna Jigarbai Patel. She is helpful and active. Anushri Pankaj Riya. She is gentle and caring. Yuti Hitesh Meena. She is disciplined and sincere. Tracy Pankaj Patel. She is talented and good leader. Chelsea Rajesh Patel. She is hardworking and intelligent. Paul Keval Patel. She is generous and understanding. Priya Suresh Bhai Patel. She is soft spoken and hardworking. Meera Nitesh Patel. She is very responsible and intelligent. Zeni Mahesh Bhai Patel. She is polite and respectful. Bhumi Vipul Kolevia. She is smart and cheerful. Razia Fatima Akbar Ali Mohammed. She is intelligent and talented. Bhavya Upadhyay. She is a good leader and smart. Charlie Nimesh Kumar generous and helpful. Maida Sakdev Kosa. She is smart and disciplined. Pari Dhansukh Patel. She is caring and attentive. Sayami Chandrakant. She is understanding and punctual. Shagun Lavkush Sharma. She is intelligent and talented. Naman Mera. He is helpful and understanding. Darsh. He is cooperative and simple. Hitanshu Vinay Lodi is respectful and polite. V. Rajesh Bhai Alpati. He is intelligent and a good leader. Ayush Vijay Bhai Patel. He is loving and simple. Daksh Sanjay Kumar Bhandari. He is very responsible and cooperative. Dei Deepak. He is very helpful and sincere. M. Ishwar. He is friendly and simple. Ranil Mahesh Bhai Kumar. He is responsible and sincere. Krishiv Hitesh Bhandari. He is honest and caring. Nishant Manish Patel. He is smart and cooperative. Priyansh Pankaj Tamli. He is gentle and hardworking. Steve Dharmesh Patel. He is helpful and cheerful. Tanay Mahesh Patel. He is sincere and understanding. Ved Etelbhai Bhandari. He is friendly and sincere. Yash Yogesh Patel is helpful and cooperative. Yastin Naresh. He is sensitive, helpful and talented. Adam Ashwat Hussain Mathur. He is smart and confident. Aftab Imran. He is helpful and understanding. Kavish Dheeraj Dabri. He is respectful and hardworking. Mir Ramprasad Jaiswal. He is helpful and cooperative. Mir Jagdish Kamli. He is sincere and well-mannered. Shiva Anil Mandal. He is smart and sincere. Subbu Venkatesh Joshi. He is very helpful and responsible. Veer Eman. He is cooperative and understanding. Vinayak Hiren Kumar. He is intelligent and caring. Thank you.
Kashish Subhash Halpati. She is well mannered and sincere.
She is disciplined and cooperative. Dimple Patel. She is responsible and hardworking. Tripti Tandel. She is sincere and friendly.
talented and respectful. Meher Mayavanshi, she is smart and well-mannered. Aroi Halpati, she is friendly and helpful. Alvi Patel, she is kind-hearted and sincere. Vidya Patel, she is well-mannered and thoughtful. Elsie Patel, she is self-disciplined and well-mannered. Jency Bandari, she is talented and intelligent. Kavya Patel, she is friendly and kind-hearted. Kenvi Ashwin, she is brave and helpful. Navta Alpesh, she is sincere and respectful. Pallavi Vilas, she is intelligent and sincere. Patel Krisha, she is smart and well-mannered. Pragni Patel, she is sincere and respectful. Pragni Patel, she is respectful and obedient. Rui Patel, she is helpful and friendly. Sachi Dilip, she is respectful and honest. Vishwa Vipul, she is sincere and respectful. Yatika Patel, she is well-mannered and hardworking. Farana Imran, she is brave and helpful. Fatima Aslam, she is honest and intelligent. Umesin, she is friendly and helpful. Mani Rao, she is talented and hardworking. Nancy Rahul, she is smart and responsible. Panti Patel, she is hardworking and helpful. Prakriti Tiwari, she is talented and well-mannered. Tanya Kamli, she is intelligent and sincere. Ayush Bharti, he is quiet and well-mannered. Krisham, he is intelligent and sincere. Neil, he is friendly and helpful. Abhimanyu Dinesh, he is respectful and helpful. Helen Nilesh, he is sincere and thoughtful. Kate Patel, he is helpful and friendly. Meet Devil, he is honest and kind-hearted. Meg Patel, he is respectful and friendly. Kurt Patel, he is respectful and friendly. Prashant, he is friendly and helpful. Aryan Vimal, he is helpful and honest. Mohammed Akil, he is intelligent and well-mannered. Deep Suresh, he is respectful and thoughtful. Ved Pratap Singh, he is respectful and well-mannered. Dharma Nilesh Bhagat, he is intelligent and self-disciplined. Hemant Patel, he is quiet and honest. Ved Baluswamy, he is helpful and thoughtful. Moksh Patel, he is friendly and helpful. Samarth Rawal, he is kind-hearted and honest. Shrey Patel, he is respectful and sincere. Viv Patel, he is intelligent and well-mannered.
great honor for me to extend this vote of thanks on this special occasion as we celebrated the graduation ceremony of our dear students. Today is a day of joy, pride and gratitude as we recognize your hard work and achievements. First, a heartfelt thank you to our sister principal for your constant support and guidance. Your leadership has shaped the school into the place where students grow with strong values and confidence. To my fellow teachers, thank you for your patience, care and dedication. Teaching this batch has been a journey full of laughter and surprises, and the students have truly made this journey special. A special thank you to the administrative staff for your ensuring the smooth functioning of our school. Your hard work behind the scene is deeply appreciated. To our graduate, congratulations. You have worked hard, made wonderful memories. As you move forward, take with you the discipline, kindness, lesson learned here at Institute of Our Lady of Fatima. Above all, we offer our deepest gratitude to Our Lady of Fatima for her protection, love and blessings. May she continue to guide us as you step into new beginnings. Dear students, always remember, go confidently in the direction of your dream. Live the life you have imagined. Congratulations once again to the standard 5th batch of 2024-25. May your future be bright as the smile you have shared with us. Thank you.
Respected sister principal, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends, today marks a momentous occasion in our lives as we gather here to celebrate our graduation from the Institute of Our Lady of Fatima. It's a day filled with mixed emotions, excitement for the journey ahead, for the memories we leave behind, and above all, gratitude for the incredible journey we have experienced together. First and foremost, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to our dear teachers who have guided us with patience, love, and dedication. Your tireless efforts have shaped not just our academic growth but also our character development. You have instilled in us a love for learning, a trust for knowledge, and the value that will serve as our compasses in the years to come. Today's achievements are as much yours as they are ours, and we carry your hopes and dreams with us as we step into the next chapter of our lives. To our dear friends and classmates, thank you for the laughter, the friendship, and the countless memories we have shared together. A little pranks and naughtiness. As we go ahead, let's carry with us the lessons and disciplines we have learned from IOLF primary section. To our dear assistant principal, teachers, and admin staff, thank you for creating an environment where we could grow, learn, and grow. Your dedication to excellence and your commitment to nurturing our young minds have laid the foundation for success. And we are forever grateful for the opportunities you have provided us. As we stand on the brink of a new beginning, let us not forget the values instilled in us by